Wow, what wonderful entries! And there's still time for you to post your kindness trees on Teams or Glow. And who knows, maybe some will even be displayed in the school when you return later in the year. Now, we cannot wait to have you back at Onthank Primary and to meet our new Primary 1 pupils. Primary 6, our new prefects and buddies have created a special message, so please help us in sharing this assembly across social media to reach out to all of our new families. So, without further ado, welcome to Onthank Primary School.
My name is Sophie. I go into P7 in August. I'll be one of the buddies when you start P1. I love school. The P1 teachers are awesome. You get loads of time to play with your friends. You have gym, which is fun, lots of games. There's also lots of after-school classes like gymnastics, football and drama, which you might like. I can't wait to see you in August. If you're looking for a challenge, why not learn Onthank's favourite Christmas song, Dominic the Donkey, and try and impress us in August. Bye!
Hi, I'm Millie and I'm going to tell you a bit about what happens at Onthank. At Onthank you can make lots of different friends and do lots of different activities like arts and crafts and gym. My favourite's gym. Also, while learning you can still have lots of fun. You get great teachers and prefects that will look after you and make sure you're safe and happy at all times. We're really excited to welcome you into Onthank. Bye!
Hello, I'm Jessica and right now I'm going to tell you a bit about Onthank Primary School. So firstly, so you have a lot of room to run around and make new friends. The playground you have is very big. Then each year you get a lovely new teacher in a nice big classroom. Sometimes the teacher might let you and your new friends play on the iPads, which is very fun. In class you get to both learn and have fun, which is great. Me and my friends will all look forward to seeing you and looking after you when you move into your new school. We all hope you enjoy it. Bye!
Hi guys, I hope you're looking forward to P1 and when you come back, you're going to love Onthank and you're just going to love the teachers and they're really nice. So I hope
Welcome to Onthank Primary School. I really hope that you're all staying safe and I really hope that you will enjoy your first year at Onthank. I hope you're all staying happy and make sure you just stay at home. Hope you enjoy.
Welcome to Onthank Primary School. I hope you enjoy it as much as I do.
Hi, I'm Charlotte. Welcome to Onthank. I moved here 2 years ago and I love it. I hope you have a good first year. Bye!
Hello soon to be P1s.
We cannot wait to meet you.
We're here to tell you about your new school.
I'm sure you'll like it. You can go in the gym hall and be very sporty.
When you arrive at our school, you'll have one of our many teachers that have taught us through the years. You might also be lucky enough to have me as a buddy.
Bye! See you soon!
Hello Future everyone, my name is Ellie and today I'm going to be talking a wee bit about Onthank Primary School. We have lots of events such as school trips, Onthank Pantomime which the P7s put on, and sports day. We also have lovely teachers, they're so lovely. When you're learning is really fun too, like love learning, you're gonna love it too. Onthank Primary School is a great place to make new friends and there's plenty of space in the playground to run around for snack and break. About snack and break. It's snack time, you can bring your own snack or there is tuck, which the dinner ladies put on. There is also, at lunch, the dinner ladies put on school meals, which you can get. Or your parents can pack a packed lunch and you can go to the dinner hall and eat your lunch there.
Hi, I'm Sophie and today I'm going to be telling you a bit about Onthank Primary School. School is very fun and you get to learn new things. You can go to gym, which is my favourite thing to do. You get to make new friends, you get to play out in the playground. My sister's in P1 and she says that you get to make big towers with blocks. You sometimes get to play on the iPads and you go to another teacher's classroom to do fun stuff. And there will be P7s looking after you like me. We'll be keeping you safe and will help you make new friends. We're looking forward to welcoming you to Onthank Primary. Bye!
Lexi, and I'm going to tell you a bit about Onthank Primary School when you come in. First of all, you will meet a lot of new friends, and all of these Primary 1 teachers are really nice, and all the other teachers. You can do a lot of different activities in school, like art, science, maths, and a lot more, such as PE as well. My favourites are maths and art, but that's just my favourites. You will probably have different ones as well. There are a lot of different people who will keep you safe in school, like other Primary 7s, me, all the teachers. I hope you enjoy Primary 1. Bye!
Hello, this is Daniel from P6, soon to be P7, and I'm so glad you're coming to join us at Onthank, and I will try my hardest to make your year the best it can be.
Welcome P1s to Onthank Primary. Can't wait to see you in August. It's a great school, you'll make loads of new friends. Stay safe.
Hi, my name is Lewis and welcome to Onthank Primary School. I'm sure you'll enjoy your time at Onthank Primary. You'll make lots of friends and learn lots of exciting things. All the staff and teachers are really nice and helpful. I enjoy learning about the new topics like the rainforest. The school might seem big, but you'll soon find your way around and work out where everything is. We have our school values: confidence, happiness, achievement, respect, responsibility. I think this makes the school a happier and more enjoyable place for everyone. I look forward to getting to know you all. Good luck.
Hi, I'm Nate, and today I'm going to tell you about Onthank Primary School. Onthank Primary School is a really good school. It helps you encourage and learn in different ways. There will be lots of people higher up in the school trying to look out for you and make sure you have the best experience you can. There's lots of roles in the school, like you can get an eco, people council, and stuff like that. My favourite subjects are drama and PE. I really enjoy them because I love athletics and drama. So, I hope you have the best experience you can, and my advice for you would just make sure you stick to your crowds and make a lot of friends. There's also a lot of after school activities like Dance Fest and Youth Club, but some of them are P5 and up. Anyway, there's lots of other ones you could pick. So I hope you have the best experience ever and have fun.
Homegrown alligator, see you later. Gotta hit the road. The summer change of the atmosphere, I can take you all familiar.